If you're standing at the entrance to Central Park at Columbus Circle and look closely above the bench along the stone wall, you might notice a small metal disc with words engraved on it. This is the United States Coast and Geodetic Survey benchmark. The U.S. Coast and Geodetic Survey began in 1807, making it the nation's first civilian scientific agency. What started as an effort to map the coastline slowly grew into a nationwide mission to measure the country, its land, its elevation, and its exact position on Earth. By the late 1800s and through much of the 20th century, the agency helped build what's now known as the National Spatial Reference System, a framework that defines position and elevation across the entire United States. These benchmarks were placed in locations like bedrock, building foundations, sidewalks, and stone walls, like the one here at Columbus Circle. Each one served a precise reference point, supporting mapping, surveying, and construction, a shared geographic language the whole country could rely on. In cities like Los Angeles, some benchmarks are stamped by local agencies, such as the Metropolitan Water District. These local markers tie back to the same federal reference system. The national network sets the baseline, and local agencies build on it for water systems, roads, and urban infrastructure. Today, these markers aren't used the same way they once were. Modern surveying often relies on GPS systems rather than solely on physical discs on the ground. But the benchmarks still matter. They provide long-term reference points, help verify GPS measurements, and connect older infrastructure to today's digital maps. So when you notice one of these small metal discs, you're not just seeing a piece of metal, you're finding a quiet node in a vast national network, a physical anchor that once tied your exact location to the rest of the country. A reminder that at our feet lies an invisible grid that helped build America, one marker at a time. So that's kind of interesting.